15 English homophone words. Night. Night. The knight protected the castle at night. Break. Break. I don't want to break the vase when I press the brake. Principal. Principal. His principle is honesty, and he is the principal of the school. Flower. Flour. I need flour to bake bread, and she gave me a beautiful flower. Mail. Mail. I received a letter in the mail, and it was from a male. There. There. Their house is over there, and their friends coming to visit. Allowed. Allowed. They were allowed to enter, and they read the story aloud. Peace. Peace. They signed a peace treaty, and I'd like a piece of cake. Sail. Sail. Let's sail on the lake, and there's a sale at the store. Bear. Bear. I can't bear the cold when I'm barefoot. Do. Do. There's dew on the grass. What should we do? Sell. Sell. He's in a jail cell, and I need to sell my old phone. Week. Week. I'll see you next week. He felt weak after the long hike. Here. Here. Can you hear me? I'll be here. Roll. Roll. She played a key role, and she baked a delicious roll for breakfast.